How can you educate your man? For example, you go on a date on a restaurant and your man is not paying for you. Or for example, you want to teach your man to open the door for you in the car or in the restaurant. How to make your husband or boyfriend pay for the bills. So hypothetically, you're going on a date with a man. You ate the dinner and now the waiter brought you the bill. What do you think you should do? You should do nothing. You're not gonna reach out for the bill. You're not gonna look at the bill. You're just gonna gently look down. That means it's his responsibility to pay for the bill. You gotta sit in such a submissive and feminine way that a man's brain not gonna even kick in to ask you to pay for it. You have to get this, ladies. If you're gonna feel uncomfortable and you're gonna start reaching out for your purse and your wallet, he will ask you to pay a half of it. Same thing goes with regards to him opening the door for you. Your boyfriend is taking you out. You came to the destination, he parked the car, and now you sit. You don't get out of the car until he opened the door for you. You just sit there. And he will notice sooner or later that you're not around. He'll come back, he'll open the door, and he'll ask you, "What's going on, honey?" And you can look and tell him, "I was just waiting for you to open the door for me." And you're gently gonna smile. And then it's gonna kick in his head that this is how to treat you. To pay to the restaurants and to open the door. And the same thing you do with the bills at home. You do not pay the bills, even if you have money. You just put the bill in front of your husband, in front of your boyfriend, and walk away. Don't listen to the excuses. Don't listen to whatever he has to say. Walk away. If you're gonna pay for the bill, he will not pay for it. Here, you have to educate more yourself than your boyfriend or your husband, because once you're gonna start educating your man how to treat you, he will follow. He will know how to respect you, how to treat you, opening the doors, paying the bills, and paying for your meals and your restaurants. And that's what you're gonna integrate in every situation where you behave like a woman, you don't take initiative and action, paying for things as a restaurant or bills or anything else or groceries, and slowly but surely your man will understand that this is what it will take for him to be with you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for your comments, my friends.